Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about the magic of Neville Goddard techniques. I have to highlight this as much as possible on this channel for you because there's a reason why he's so popular. He will change your life. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course or my The Perfect Self-Concept course. The Manifest Your SP course highlights manifesting your SP, the step-by-step chronological form of how to do so in very detailed steps. I'm talking about 14 modules and every module has a 90-minute long video in it. This is something that the nature of a 10-minute long YouTube video simply cannot teach you. This is the same for the Perfect Self-Concept, 90-minute long videos, 7 modules, all perfectly tied up in a bow, placed as a product for you. Now, both manifesting my SP and getting and maintaining the perfect self-concept was something that I personally did before I made a course about it, and everything that I include in that course is everything that I did in order to successfully manifest my SP and to successfully have the perfect self-concept. I had a perfect self-concept for 3 years non-stop with whatever stuff that came up my way doesn't affect me because of my perfect self-concept. So if you are ready to invest in yourself and quit playing, click on the very first link in the description box down below to enroll in the Perfect Self-Concept course, and the second link in the description box down below to enroll in the Manifest Your SP course. Just have a read of the frequently asked questions and the testimonials and the module breakdown before you go into buying. But I guarantee you, your life will never be the fucking same. Or you can go on ritakaminski.com/courses to access both of those courses. Have a look around my entire website and see what I offer as well. I've got one-on-one coaching. I've also got collective coaching. All right, listen up. This is not your typical manifestation fluff. What I'm about to share with you right now is gonna bust your mind wide open. We're talking about flipping your entire reality on its head. You know how everyone says, change your thoughts and affirmations, change your life. Yeah, they've only scratched the surface. Okay, so here's the deal. Neville Goddard talks about feeling your desire as though it's not gonna be here in a few days or weeks or months or years, but now. How does it feel if you have your manifestation now? And his book, Feeling is the Secret, is actually one of the things that was a gateway for me to enter into the Law of Assumption community. And I would highly recommend for you to read it once, twice, 3 times, to really immerse yourself in it if you have not done so. It is my favorite book by Neville Goddard. He emphasizes that this is especially important before you fall asleep. And guess what? That totally aligns with my beliefs because I am a hardcore fan of state akin to sleep, which is what he teaches. Okay, but why? When you're drifting off, your subconscious, the part of your mind that is running 95% of your life, by the way, is wide open. That is your golden hour to manifest absolutely everything and anything that you want. And it will literally come to your doorstep the following morning, bitch. You won't even have a chance to wake up and it will already be there. This isn't a fucking joke. I'm actually not screwing around because this happens in my life time and time again. If you do want to check any of my SATs videos, I will be running all of the cards throughout this video about my SATs journey and my SATs frequently asked questions and everything to do with SATs basically. But wait, it gets crazier. Have you heard about this little known thing called parallel realities? You might have to Google it because not no one knows about it. It's like this new thing that like scientists don't even know about. It's just like the talk of the town. I'm joking. Quantum physics and scientists are actually starting to confirm everything that Neville Goddard and all of these spiritual teachers have been saying for decades. That is to say, there are multiple realities of infinite versions of you living infinite versions of lives. The smartest person in the universe can't even fathom in their human mind what infinite means. So if you want to be rich or fit or in love, there is a reality right now that you are living that out. You're missing out on it because you didn't choose it in your mind. So that version of you already exists. So this is what the law of assumption community has been saying forever. You're not creating something, you're simply dialing in, tuning in to the reality that you want. You're simply picking it through your mind. It's as simple as that. Literally like a radio dial. Like, have you ever been in a car and a song comes on the radio and you don't like it? You just change the radio dial. You're not experiencing that reality where you're listening to that song anymore. It's kind of simple. Here's the kicker. Your past actually doesn't exist because the only thing that exists is the present moment. Every time you recall a memory, you change it a little because you're perceiving it from the perspective of the you now, and there are so many versions of you. Even you this time last year is different to who you are now. So I'm saying, why not use that to your advantage? Instead of rehashing the I'm not good enough story, why don't you change it? And I talk about this in depth in my The Perfect Self Concept course. Be the badass in each and every single moment. Choose and choose and choose and choose and choose and choose and choose again. That you are the version of you that is a badass bitch, that is fit, that has the love of your life waking up to you every morning, that travels non-stop, that has financial freedom, that has purpose in their life. Whatever it is that you want. The thing is, it's not about the past. It's not even about the past when you are living your best life, because everything resets in every single moment. It's about what you are choosing in every single moment as it passes. If you do that, I can assure you, I can promise you that your life will transform almost instantly because time does not exist. I've talked about this in my Waiting is Not Even a Thing video that I filmed recently, which you can check up in the card here. This isn't some mystical woo-woo thing. This is practical, this is science. It is you taking control of your self-concept. Okay, so let me break it down. Decide who you want to be today, not tomorrow, not in a month. Today. Yes, this does include multiple manifestations. When it comes to multiple manifestations, I highly recommend to script them out as to not overwhelm yourself, but that is your prerogative. You do what you want with your life. Next up, feel as though you have it right now, because you do. You have decided that you are now in the reality, in the desired reality, where all of your manifestations aren't just manifestations, they're your goddamn motherfucking birth given right. It is a fact right now. You can see it. Everybody around you sees it, baby. What does it feel like? What do you want to do right now? Because you have everything that you want. Think about it. Be like your SP and commit. Stop waiting for external validation. You do not need 5,000, 50,000, 500,000, 1 million YouTube subscribers to be a YouTuber. Be it now. I did this by ignoring my circumstances when I would go to my night shifts at my 9 to 5 in New York, absolutely hating it, pretending as though it wasn't even real. And then I went home and I freaking filmed my videos because I aligned with the reality where I am a YouTuber, and I filmed that shit non-stop every single day, day in and day out. I align myself as a YouTuber, and then the reality followed, as you can see from all of y'all tuning in every single day, and I love you. And you can do it too right now with any situation, with any desire, no matter how impossible it may sound to you right now. It just looks and sounds so easy that now I manifested being a YouTuber, but as some of y'all know, I was trying to do this for 16 years with no luck. And when I finally aligned as the person who is not trying to be a successful, famous, impactful, purposeful YouTuber, but one that is already that. And I aligned my actions with that. The version of you that you want is literally waiting for you to pick it. God's lined up, the angels lined up, the universe lined up, everyone in your life has already lined up. It's all on you. Everyone is waiting on you. So what are you gonna do with it? I highly advise for you to say yes and just assume. So are you ready to activate it? Let's go. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.